Hey, it's Rachel with WTI. I love this umami powder because it's so versatile and it will add such a delicious extra dimension flavor to any meal you have. So umami is known as the fifth flavor of taste, and it's delicious. I'm adding it to some eggs here, and instead of putting a bunch of different spices in, I just add the umami. It adds enough saltiness, and it just gives it a depth of flavor. You can see in my hand there, they're not exactly powdery. It's more like granules, but they do melt nicely into whatever you're making, and the eggs were delicious. I also put it on fish with some garlic. It's delicious. It comes in a 3.5 ounce bag. I add it to some soup as well. I like that the bag is resealable, and I'll just add maybe half a tablespoon or a tablespoon to whatever I'm cooking, and it really elevates the flavor. So if you're looking for a powder that you can add to stir fries, sauces, soups, dressings, to so many different things, you've got to try this umami powder. I love it. I use it all the time. I think it's great, and that's my point of view.